You can turn your bedroom into this cozy coastal retreat. Hi, welcome to Living by Coastal, a harbor for coastal home lovers. This is another one of our coastal bedroom ideas. You can check the links for the other transformations. This time, we're mixing rustic textures with soft fabrics to create a bedroom that feels cozy, elevated, and coastal. We start with a simple coastal palette, mostly white, layered with soft blues, and warm natural tones. First, we add white furniture, white nightstands, a white bed, and a white headboard. You can paint existing furniture or use a bed skirt to hide darker frames. Then we layer in blue and white textiles. Stripes are a coastal staple, so choose a soft blue and white striped duvet cover. Then mix in throw pillows with different stripe patterns and textures. Next, we add glass accents to reflect light like water and bring in that subtle nautical feel. For warmth, we use natural textures, a woven round mirror, brass ceiling lights, and brass nailhead trim on the headboard. Then we soften the room with fabric, white curtains, an upholstered headboard, and a soft neutral rug. Layering blinds with curtains creates that relaxed coastal look. Blackout curtains frame the windows, while blinds, or plantation shutters if possible, add texture and charm. And now, for the big reveal. Look at the difference. Same room, but now it feels lighter, brighter, softer, and beautifully coastal. All the products used are linked in the description below. You can use the exact pieces or simply use them as inspiration. If you enjoy coastal decorating ideas, follow for more. And if you like this video, give it a like. Thanks for watching.